Hello friends and welcome back to the tea time crafting. This week I will try to make pumpkin shaped candles. I'm not sure if it will work, but we're gonna give it a try. First, let's make some tea. For this week's tea choice, I've chosen something that is also one of my favorites, and it's this one. There's just something about this tea that I really love. It's very strong, kind of bitter black tea, and I love to drink it with milk. Like I usually drink all my tea with. It's this very British way, I guess, and I've always done it and I love it. So also when I was living in Scotland, I would love this tea, which I unfortunately have run out. And they don't sell it in Finland, I think. I haven't seen it. It's wrap up time. These were so nice to make, somehow really relaxing to be molding the beeswax. These were also really quick and easy to make, I think. And here they are, my little pumpkins. What do you think? It's not a real pumpkin. The shape would definitely be more pumpkin-like if I would use a mold and just melt the beeswax and pour it into the mold. Maybe if I wanted to, I could melt like a little bit of the beeswax and pour it on top and somehow try to make the edges a little bit smoother. The whole idea was to make something while having tea, so these are definitely that quick to make. I definitely want to make something like this again, maybe improve the idea of the pumpkins, but overall I'm quite happy how they turn out. I hope you enjoyed watching this week's crafting and have a great week. Thanks for watching. Bye!